In this video, we will show you how you automatically can make a data catalog for a SQL database using Ngrapho. We have created a category to hold the data catalog. To get the metadata from the SQL database, we create a connection string in the administration module. We give the connection string a description, and choose MS SQL as the database type. As you can see, our connection string is based on trusted connections, so you don't need to provide a user and password. When you want to load the metadata from the SQL database, you choose the desired category that will hold the catalog. Going back to the catalog page, you now have information about the content of the database, showing schemas, tables, and columns. You can use the tree view on the left side to navigate from schema to table, and from table to columns. When you click on a table, you get the page that holds information about the table. And below the table you see information about the table's columns. As you can see, we have no description for schema, tables, and columns. If you have that information in the SQL database, you can load it from there, but you can also load that information from external sources, like a spreadsheet. If you go back to the administration module, and choose the menu regarding uploading metadata, you have the possibility to load metadata to populate data to data catalogs. In this demo we are doing it manually, but it can also be done in batch if you for instance wants to schedule the update of your data catalogs. After uploading a file, you need to validate that the file matches fields in the data catalog. And finally, you can load the metadata to update information in the data catalog. Now, when we go back to the data catalog page, we again use the tree view to navigate through the data catalog. The first thing we see is that we now have a description of the database. This description was loaded from our external source. We also did import description on schema, table, and column level. It is possible to edit the data catalog manually if you have the right credentials. Here we would like to input some information about the table, supplier transactions. All the different types of information in the catalog is managed in the configuration module. In this module, it is possible to create templates that holds exactly the information you want to display to your data catalog users. If you need a simple and intuitive data catalog tool that in an easy way allows you to automatically create and update data catalogs, manually and in batch, you might want to consider using Ngrapho.